What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your yearly maintenance on your lawnmower. Oil, air filter, spark plug, blade, and a couple other things, can't remember. But if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these DIY how-tos and automotive projects. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is run it out of gas. That's going to prevent the gas from spilling when we're working on it. It's also going to heat up the oil for us to drain it. Okay, our oil's nice and hot, so we'll go ahead and take our oil plug out. Now don't go wasting time. These things don't have oil drain plugs underneath. They stopped making them like that, so we're just going to have to tip it over and dump it in here. Just drain it all out. Alright, that's good. Alright, now let's refill the oil. So the best way to do that is I usually just pour it in and then I check with the dipstick, but you could also check your manual for the amount. I'm just going to use 10W30, or you could use straight 30 weight. Now it doesn't take too much. Alright, that looks good, right on the full line. Good practice to disconnect your spark plug before we work on the blade. Alright, now we'll go ahead and lift it up so we can get to the lawnmower blade right here. And it's a 5/8. Put it on our socket. Take this off. Remember how the blade is oriented? Good time to clean up the bottom of your deck too. There we go. Alright, now we'll get our blade nice and sharp. Alright, now we'll go ahead and make sure the blade is balanced by hanging it on a nail. Looks good. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put some of this high temp anti-seize on the bolt for the blade. Put the blade back on. Snug it down good and tight. Don't want that baby coming off. There we go. Alright, now let's do the spark plug. We'll pop off the wire and take our 13/16 inch socket for our spark plug. And we'll pull this out. There we go. Give it a nice little cleaning. Alright, so it looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and take our feeler gauges and make sure that the gap is still good. Should be around 0.025 to 0.030, and this is good. And we'll also go ahead and take a little bit of fine grit sandpaper, and we're going to go ahead and sand the inside of this and the tip. Just scuff it up a little bit so it gets a nice connection again. We'll go ahead and put a dab of high temp anti-seize on it, just a little on the threads. And snug it down. There we go. Put our cap back on. Okay, now let's do the air filter. It's over on the right side of the engine, behind this cover right here. We'll just go ahead and unscrew this right here. It's just one flathead. And this cover just pops out. Ooh, look at that. Now we can go ahead and give our air box area a nice cleaning. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take our new filter, and I'll go ahead and put some links in the description to all the tools and supplies I use. And we'll put our filter just like this, and lift it up like that. Then we can screw it back in. There we go. Alright, now time to give it a nice little cleaning. Alright, I got it all cleaned and shined up. Looks pretty good, huh? Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and check out my other videos. I do a lot of these DIY and automotive. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care and happy mowing.